Okay, so I don't know if anyone will ever have this problem. This is the first time this has happened to me. So this pedal would normally go in there, and when it's in there, it's fine, and it requires a tool that you put into this thread to take it out. But this seems to slot in and out quite easily, and every time you ride, it comes loose, and when it goes in, it fits in flush, so it's tight. But this seems to, like, if you put it in, it's got a lot of movement on it, and it'll just come out on its own accord. So that's not good. So I've gone to the bike shop, and they've told me once it comes out, it'll come out all the time, because it has to be square into a square, and it's just it's changing shape. It's aluminium on aluminium, and that's not good. So in order for me to put it back, I've got no other choice but to change all the parts, and I can't ride with this because it's a dangerous thing. So what I'm gonna do is try and fill up the gaps. Now filling up the gaps is annoying, because you have to. What I thought I'd use is aluminium tape, and you can see the shape of that. See, it's square, but it has to be like totally square. So that being like that, I don't know what to do. It's like a little gap, and I don't want it to be like that. I want it to be like that, because pushing it out means it's far away from this, and I'm less likely to hit that. So I'm going to use a can of Coke. This isn't sponsored, this is just what I had. So I had to drink this anyway. I just need a little slice of this, because so I've done that. Anyway, I'll test it out and see if it actually worked. If it did, then anyone who's having the same problem, I guess it'll be good for you. So I'll test it out. So like I said, it was coming off every 300 meters or so. So if it works, then you know, it's a solution that can temporarily help someone who's having the same problem. Anyway, once this is edited, you'll know that if this helped me or not. So that's it really. I'll put it on once it's edited.